Nature's wealth, good for your health. This is the Raw Life Health Show.
Hello everybody, I'm so excited. I'm going to make a video about this great product that I got. This is coconut. A lot of people, see I have coconut trees and I have coconuts all over here in South Florida. But a lot of people aren't blessed to have it like I am. So my friend's company here ships coconut to people, and he shipped it to me, and it just got it. Literally just got off the truck. It's he ships it frozen here, and he wanted me to try it. And I'm going to compare it to my coconuts that I get right off the tree. So it comes here, it says this package is perishable. So I'm going to get it right in the freezer as soon as I open this. But he has a whole bunch of products, and we're going to be reviewing this today on the show. Look at this. Look at this. It comes in this package that keeps all this fresh. And here it is. This is Thai coconut meat. Coconut meat right from Thailand. I'm going to be comparing this to one of my coconuts. Frozen coconut meat. Check that out. This is the first I'm getting this and seeing this, and it's still cold and frozen. It's going to go in the freezer. If you can't get fresh coconuts like I do here in South Florida, you want to get this company. Not only did I have the coconut meat, I have a bunch of other products as well. Let's see real quick what they have in this here. I mean, eating of raw food is coconut meat and coconut products. There's coconut water. Fresh, raw, organic, truly raw coconut water. And they have coconut jerky also. They're making coconut jerky. All raw, all vegan. Today on the show, I'm going to be comparing this and trying this out to my coconuts. And we're going to do this review. Hello everybody, I'm so excited about today's video. My friend has a company here that ships coconut throughout all the country. And if you're like me, I have coconut trees. I get fresh coconut. I don't need it, but there's not too many people that are blessed like that. But so a lot of people around the country want to get fresh coconut. This company has fresh coconut water, fresh coconut meat. They also have these smoothie packs where you could just open this up and put it right into a blender, ready to go. Fresh smoothies, which is the coconut water with the meat mixed. And they even have this coconut jerky, this wonderful coconut jerky snack. So we're going to be reviewing these today, but what I'm going to do is I just cut down a bunch of coconuts from my tree outside. I'm going to take that coconut water and drink it and compare it to this coconut water that you get. This is all organic, raw products you can get from Thailand. Now somebody will say, why can't I just go to the store and buy coconut water? That is garbage. That is not. It's pasteurized, it's not organic, it's just, I don't care what the marketing says on the bottle, they add stuff to it to keep it on the shelf, stabilizing this. This comes all frozen. It came yesterday frozen. I have this giant packet of coconut water. I have this fresh coconut meat, and I also have this coconut jerky I'm going to try, and this smoothie pack. I'm really excited. We're going to go out and get some coconut water now and then compare it. Okay, everybody, these are fresh coconuts that came right from my coconut tree. I got 2 of them here, and I have a bottle. So I'm going to cut the coconut water in here, and then we're going to compare the 2 coconut waters. So I'm going to cut this now. So most people around the country can't do this. You don't have the opportunity to have your own coconuts and your own coconut water. That's why this company I'm so excited about. I'm putting the link below the video. If you want to get fresh coconut water, you can now through this company. Okay. This is the freshest coconut water that I get because I own this coconut tree, and I'm just putting it in this bottle. Now, if I took this water right out of the coconut and froze it in a freezer and then sent it to you frozen, and you were able to drink this, it's the closest thing you get to the real thing. Not the stuff in the store. That's not the real deal. And then I'm going to take this coconut here. And people don't understand. Right in the coconut is fresh meat, coconut meat. If I took that meat and put it in a bag and froze it and sent it to you, that's what this company does. And that's why I'm so excited about them. The link is below the video. So let's bring this inside now and compare the freshness of this and the freshness of their product. Okay, everybody, so this is a green coconut, and most people don't know coconuts are green on the tree. Some varieties are yellow, but they're certainly not brown and hairy. Those are old coconuts. But these coconuts, they call baby coconuts or young coconuts. And you can see there's some jelly in the middle here. Now, the more jelly it has, or the more white it is, the sweeter the water is going to be. So what makes the water sweet is the variety and also the stage of picking the coconut. Some coconuts won't have any jelly depending on the stage. So this one was picked, and the water that I have is pretty sweet. From my tree, the variety and everything else. But I know this company, I know the owners of this company, and I know they searched out the sweetest varieties in all of Thailand, and they also searched out the right stage to have them picked, and the water frozen at that stage. And coconut water, it stays wonderful when it's frozen. And unlike the white coconuts you see that come from Thailand, that are good if you get them right off the tree, they're just the process and everything that's done with those versus this. These come from those coconuts, but this is organic. These are organic, so they're not messed up or anything else. Like, I don't trust those, but sometimes I open those and the water is purple. So there's something not right in that process. But let's check out this company and their water. It comes in this box with this case here. This is all coconut water, fresh coconut water, and it has a spout. It's really cool the way they do it. They have a box here, and they cut it out so you can put this on here, and you could just turn this the right way, and it'll all come out. But I'm going to leave this open just for the sake of the video so you can see that and how it looks here. So I want to see, this is the white. Well, look, there's no purple water. Look how fresh this water is coming out. And anyone, anywhere, I don't care if you're in Wisconsin or Minnesota or anywhere in the United States, you can get fresh coconut water. And let's taste this. If I didn't know any better, and I didn't know the owner of this company, I would think there was sugar added to this water. That's how sweet it is. But I know there's not. It's all organic, fresh coconut water. Let's. My daughter's holding the camera right now. I'm going to let her try it. She's not going to come on the camera, but she's going to try it right now and tell us what she thinks of it.
That is so sweet. Man, that's so much better than the other coconuts.
Yes. Do you want to try some as well? Sure. Okay, my other daughter's going to try some now as well and see what she thinks of it.
It's so good.
So good. So this, as you can see, the water's fresh and clear. So this is great. So that's the one of the major products of this great company. Now they also have the coconut flesh, the coconut meat. There's so much you can do with the coconut meat, but I like to just eat it plain. They come frozen, and I just left it out for several hours, and it's thawed out. Okay, so I'm just going to cut this here. This is the fresh coconut meat. Okay, I'm going to have to cut it again. They pack this really, really well. Oh, wait, no, it comes in a bag like that. That's cool. It comes in a separate another bag. So it's all packed really well. Look at that, fresh coconut meat. Let's try it. Wow. All right, here goes the camera girl. It tastes like vanilla candy. It's amazing.
That's so good.
How is that? Thumbs up. All right. Now, that's the fresh coconut meat. So you could blend this and things. There's so much you could do with that. They also have this dried coconut jerky. Now, it's dried at a low temperature, so it's still officially raw, which is, I love this company, organic and raw. And this is all one click away from everybody. You can get this. And I'm putting the link below the video so you can get these. So this is the dried coconut jerky. Dried coconut jerky. As a matter of fact, my girls are going to be out today. I'm going to send some of this with them. They don't add anything to it. It's just dried coconut jerky. Let me try that. Wow. Now I make this in my own dehydrator, but no one needs to. This is like a dried coconut candy.
Wow.
Wow. But wait, there's more. That's so good. I could just chew on that all day. That's great. There's these coconut packs. I mean, these these pre-made shakes, these smoothies. They call them smoothie packs. So this is coconut meat blended with coconut, frozen as well. And I could even take this frozen. This one's thawed out and this one's frozen. And just put it right in a smoothie. That's what I'm about to do. I'm going to make a smoothie right now. I'm going to put this in there. And I'm going to add this to my smoothie. This company is amazing. Not only if I didn't live and have a coconut tree myself would I get this, but I'm going to order this again because it's just amazing. And it's a coconut water. It's sweeter than my water. I don't have to dehydrate my own coconut meat. I got coconut. This is just amazing. Go to the link below the video, and I promise you, you're going to love this. It's going to make a great gift for somebody. And another thing is I'm about to cut my coconut trees out, to be honest with you, because I love coconuts. And when I moved to this property, I wanted to have just all coconut trees. Well, I planted about 6 coconut trees, but they're getting too tall. And I can get coconuts down with a big pole, but I got other trees and plants around the tree, and I don't want the coconuts falling and breaking them. It's becoming too much of a hassle to get the coconuts. I'm going to plant new coconut trees, so for the next 4 or 5 years, I'll have newer coconuts. But in the meantime, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to go to this company, and also, it's just amazing. It's just amazing. So I'm going to make a smoothie now with that little smoothie pack, and wow, it's great. So get the link below the video, and I'm going to make this smoothie now, and I'll show you how I do that. Okay, so I'm going to make this smoothie now here with your smoothie pack. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put some coconut water in here. And you can do everything. So I decided today I'm going to do a banana. Get this banana. I'll get a handful of berries. Some frozen berries. And here's their coconut pack. Now, I could just put this straight frozen if I wanted to. This one's a little thawed out. Let's see. So this is the coconut water mixed with their coconut meat. Look at that. Wow. Look at that. And I'm about to blend this all up. Now again, I make coconuts like this with my coconuts, but it's a lot more work when I do it. Alrighty, so we got that. Now sometimes you could do just coconut with the meat only. You don't have to add all this other stuff that I added, but I did. Look at that. Alrighty. Wow. Listen, I want everyone to go to the link below this video and order this. Try it at least once and you'll be sold on it because, wow, it's that good. It's that good, everybody. The link's below the video. I love coconuts, and I'm so glad this company has made a way to get this to everybody. There's cocosymbolis.com. The link's below the video. And it's that good. It's real good. It gets thumbs up from me. I've been eating coconuts for many, many, many years. And this is some of the best I've had. All right, everybody. So enjoy those coconuts and have a great world life. Okay, here's my neighbor Ram under his jackfruit tree. We're not in Thailand. We're here in South Florida. And he's an expert on coconuts. He's tasted many coconuts. And first we'll give him a cup of the coconut water that I just poured right out of the container from this company. Is that the sweetest coconut water?
Yeah, unbelievable.
Yes, yes.
Unbelievable, really unbelievable.
Yeah.
I wish we could grow something like this here. I don't think we have this variety.
Amazing. So good. And take some of this white meat out here. Take some of that out here. I'll hold the cup if you want.
You ain't holding my cup.
Take some of that coconut meat out there. How great is that? And they just ship it right to you.
Gotta give me a minute here. It's good. It's good, but nothing like the water. It was a huge difference. I mean, we grow this. This is quality we grow, but we don't grow the liquid variety.
Yes, and then here's the beef jerky.
No.
That's some more of the meat there. It's so great. You don't have to cut a coconut. You can just open up a box and get it. And this is all organic, unpasteurized, and raw. The beef jerky is at a low temperature, so it's dehydrated. All the enzymes still in it. For many years, this guy has been trying to get coconut water here from Thailand.
Oh, yeah?
And he's found the right program to do it with now, so this is great.
What does it cost to have something like this?
The prices are on the website. It's very, very economical. And he also has, besides these 3 items, he has a smoothie pack, which is coconut, meat, and water blended that you could just throw it frozen right into a smoothie.
Well, that would be nice for a lot of people.
Yes, yeah. See, we get this here in Florida, but you can't get this in other places around the country.
Well, the meat, I would say, is equal to what we're growing here.
Which still nobody else can get in the country.
Right.
Which we can get.
I have about 7 coconut trees. Orgasmic.
Yeah, such great water. Okay, and then the coconut jerky. It's we don't have to do the work. It's just great snack to have.
It's good, but I mean, it's good, you know. It's just, for me, it's average because we're growing this stuff here. But this is spectacular.
What about the average person that's living in Minnesota or New York that can't get these coconuts?
Just is the way to go, for sure.
Yeah, absolutely. Definitely. Absolutely.
Wow.
Alrighty, well, he's going to enjoy that. And check that out, all these jackfruits. I'm telling you, he's the coconut king. And look at how big that jackfruit is. He's a coconut king. He owns at least 5 or 6 coconut trees, and he's had many over the years, and he agrees this water is the best you'll find.
It is. It doesn't get any better than this.
Yes. All righty, everybody. So the link below the video. Place your order now. Hey, everybody. So here's again those coconut smoothie packs. We have the coconut jerky, the coconut meat. And there's a lot, even in 1 pack. I mean, honestly, this 1 pack would last me a whole week, maybe even 2 weeks. There's that much meat in here. This is a lot of meat. And then, of course, the coconut water that we have in the fridge. So sweet. Now, without a doubt, you can't get this anywhere else in the United States except if you live under a coconut tree here in Florida. And some people say, well, they sell those white coconuts you can go to the Asian store and get. I'm telling you, the meat in those coconuts oftentimes is purple, and so's the water. And if I buy a case of those, like 9 of those, maybe 2 or 3 of those are good, and the rest are bad. This, I know the company will guarantee 100% of everything you're going to get is clear, perfect, raw, clean, and I'm giving you as a testament here. I'm trying this. I've already had several other people try this on a video. This is amazing. It's amazing. And again, even my friend that said the meat, this is like what we can get here. You saw my coconut that I had out. The meat wasn't that thick. Because you just got to get it at the right stage. And that's the perfect situation. You don't have to guess anymore. You have it all here, and it's wonderful. So get to the link below the video and check this out. I know you'll be glad you did.
Nature's wealth, good for your health. This is the Raw Life Health Show. Raw Life, brighten up your life.